Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on REDnote. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we click on REDnote and you will enter. Then here you can click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of REDnote as you see. If you find updates in this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you.